Clamping down on these vehicles by the Drivers Vehicle and Licensing Authority of Ghana is a step in the right direction. It really poses danger for those who patronize these vehicles. Let's be advised.
To clamp down on rickety vehicles. Last year, the authority retired 500 vehicles proving to be rickety from plying roads in the country. Here's a report by my colleague Stanley Dvla.
In 2021, more people died through road crashes than COVID-19, although causes of the road carnages were largely attributed to human error. The Driver and Vehicle Licensing Authority says rickety vehicles cannot be ruled out. According to Dvla, there are 3.1 million registered vehicles in the country, of which a significant number are not roadworthy. Apart from causing road accidents, rickety vehicles also pose danger to the environment by emitting carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Last year, the Dvla declared 500 vehicles as rickety and subsequently barred them from plying any road in the country. Eric Bentel Addison is the Deputy Director in charge of vehicle inspection and registration at the Dvla.
But these are vehicles that over the period have not been able to comply with the specific regulations of the law. And so as an authority, it became an issue of concern, which we actually wanted to address to the motoring public. And so yes, obviously we've come across some vehicles that I should say they are end-of-life vehicles. And so for some of these vehicles, what the license authority do is to issue what we call statutory off-road notification, which means that the vehicles are not fit to be on the roads.
He said the police service has been engaged in the exercise.
We are actually collaborating with the law enforcement agencies to ensure that these vehicles do not go back to the road. So don't forget that the entity of police do have the prosecuting powers.